everyone, Mrs. Holbrook here. It's Foundations time, and this week we'll be learning some new vowel sounds, so I'm super excited. But let's start by reviewing our old. Remember, I'll say the sound, and you repeat it when you see little Brady here. All right. H, Q, U, qu, T, t, Y, y, S, bugs, z. Don't forget, the S can also say z. Z, z. WH, w. TH, ALL, all. And there's our glued sounds from the past few weeks. ANG, ang. ING, ing. ONG, ong. UNG, ung. Let's do the whole story this time. ANK, bank, ink. INK, pink, ink. ONK, honk, onk. UNK, junk, unk. Our vowel extension. A, apple, a. E, add, I, itch, it. O, octopus, U, up. Now remember, all of these are the short vowel sounds. And next we will do our R control. AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. ER, her, IR, bird, UR, burn, Great. So let's talk, guys. Today, if we're going to talk about long vowels, we first need to talk about syllables. Who knows what a syllable is? That's right, a syllable is a tiny part of a word that has a vowel sound in it. Let's think about our names and see how many syllables it has. My last name is Holbrook. Holbrook. Sometimes clapping or putting our hand under our chin can help us hear the syllable parts. Holbrook. 2 syllables. 2 small parts in a word that both have a vowel sound in them. Let's try your name. What's your name? Jack, okay? Jack. How many syllables, everyone? That's right, just 1. Who wants to try their name next? Great. Okay, Destiny, let's do it. Destiny. How many? 3. That's right. So you can keep practicing syllables. Look all around your house and see how many syllables things have. Table. Table. 2. Maybe your parents' names, your siblings. But we're going to move on for now because there are different kinds of syllables. So far this year, we have been working on closed syllable. So a closed syllable definition is here. It has 1 vowel. The vowel is short, and it's closed in by a consonant right after, like the word cat. That T closes in that A, so it makes sure that the A is a short sound. It says, ah. Let's practice some more closed syllables. Okay, so here's my foundations board. I just brought down the vowel A, and then I'm going to close it in with this T. It's closed, so we know that A is going to be a short vowel sound. We know that this is a closed syllable. So there's actually a way that we mark these syllables. Okay, whenever we're marking syllables, we scoop the syllable and we write the syllable type underneath. So since this syllable type is closed, we put a little C for closed. And then above the vowel, we mark the vowel. We know that since it's closed in, it's a short A, so we put a little brev over it. It kind of looks like a smile. A brev tells us that that vowel says ah in the word at. Now, I can put a sound before the vowel, and it's still closed in. It doesn't really matter if anything comes before the vowel. It's only about what's after, closing it in. So cat is closed, bat is closed, all of those are closed syllables. Okay, help me spell away at. A-T. Great job, and let's erase this marking. And here's what we're going to do. I am going to dictate some closed syllable words. You're going to write them or build them with magnet tiles, whatever you have. And then we're going to practice marking closed syllables. Okay, here we go. Your first word is win. I hope you win at your game. Tap it, build it. W-I-N. I'll pull down my sounds. Okay, and now for the new learning, the marking. Let's go ahead and scoop the syllable. And let's find that vowel. Is it closed in? Sure is. So we'll put a little C underneath, and then we have to put our brev over the I. Great job. Clear your board. Help me spell it away. W-I-N. And let's try another. Repeat after me. Quick. Tap it. It. Build it. That's right. When a k is at the end, we do know it's a CK that comes after a short vowel. So, what do? That's right. We scoop our vowel, scoop our syllable, there's our syllable, put the C underneath it because it is closed, and put the brev on top because it's a short I. Like the monkey who likes to itch, it is short. Great job. Okay, friends. Now that you understand closed syllable type, I'm going to teach you another syllable type. It's called vowel consonant E. So on this syllable, it means that there is a vowel, then there is a consonant, and then there's an E at the end. And this is a very special syllable type. Take a look at these two words. This first word is bake. I know that because I scooped or underlined the syllable, and I looked and said, there's a vowel, my A, there's a consonant, one of the yellow cards, a K, and then an E at the end. So that means that it's a V dash, the dash is the consonant, E syllable, and whenever that happens, the vowel does not make a short sound, it makes a long sound. So over the next few weeks, we're going to be learning all of our long vowel sounds. And in this one, the A, well, they say their name. The A says A, so the word is bake. Let's check out this one. It doesn't matter if there's a word, letters before the vowel, and in this one there's two. There's a consonant blend. And we have our O, consonant E, so we marked it underneath, V-E. We crossed off our E because we don't hear it, it's silent. But it does make that O say O, and this word is own. Notice when I tap, I don't tap the E at the end because you don't hear it. We only tap what we hear. I'll do it one more time. Own. Stone. Great. Let's practice some more of this vowel consonant E syllable type. Okay, friends, take a look. I'm going to pull down some letters, and I want you to just think, what syllable type is this? Is this closed, or is it vowel consonant E? First, laser your eyes right to the vowel. Okay, there it is, the A. And then look after it. So we do have vowel, consonant, there's no E, so it's closed in. So we know it's a short vowel. Cap. But wait a second now. Aha. We brought down that E. Now it's a vowel consonant E. And it changes the word from cap to cape. Cape. Great. And the last thing we're going to do today to work on identifying if it's a closed syllable or a vowel consonant E is look through this list. You can pause your screen on this after, and I want you to count how many words you see that are closed syllable type. Wow, how many did you get? I counted 20 that are closed in as well. A couple of them almost tricked me. Want to see the ones that tricked me a little bit? Right here. At first, I saw CK after, and I'm like, Well, that's 2 consonants, but then I remembered it doesn't matter. As long as it's closed in by a consonant, it is going to be a short A. It is a closed syllable. Now, a little trickier. I want you to search for all of the vowel consonant E words. Okay, I'm going to point them out. You can pause it here. I'll point them out. Here's one. There's an A, a consonant, and an E. Here's another one. A, consonant, E. I skipped over that one. That one has 2 vowels. That is not a closed syllable. It is not a vowel consonant E. It's a type of syllable that we'll be learning later on. Okay, here's another one, vowel consonant E. Here's one. Another one, another one, another one. 2 vowels, nope. Another vowel consonant E. Awesome. And looking down this side, I see a couple that have 2 vowels, so those aren't vowel consonant E, but the rest are. All right, great job today, guys. Tomorrow, we're going to start learning the long vowel sounds and practice marking 1 different vowel a day. Bye-bye.